Hello everyone, and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura, and today I will be making Apricot Herb Garden Soap. Those are the colors we'll be using, and we'll also be adding some seeds. So this is the lye water going into the oils, and those are the seeds that I mentioned. They're good for exfoliation, and they also add some visual interest to the soap. Just going to stick blend this all together. And this should also help break up some of the seeds. This soap is going to be really good if you like rougher soaps for getting dirt and grime out, or if you just like the texture of soaps that have, seeds and other additives. So here I'm going to divide it up into 3 different containers. I'm going to have the base color just stay plain, and that's going to be the majority of the soap. And then I'm going to add some bright orange and a really pretty green. And here's the orange going in. And here's the green. And now I'm just going to add in the fragrance. This smells really good. It has a very sweet apricot fragrance, and it has notes of rosemary and thyme. I'm just going to mix in the orange. I use the stick blender for the orange because I find that with these bright colors it really helps disperse the color better. And for this one I'm just going to use a whisk. I didn't need to stick blend this one. And I'm going to do an in the pot swirl. So I'm going to pour both of these colors into the base color. And then I'm going to take a stick and swirl it a little bit. And from here I'm just going to pour it straight into the mold. And I'm also going to swirl the top with a little bit of shiny green. And here I'm just tapping out the air bubbles. And I'm going to swirl it again in the mold. Now, unfortunately, for some reason, the footage of me swirling the top and adding the green was lost. I don't know what happened to it. It just wasn't there. So, unfortunately it's not there, but you'll see it in the finished bar here how the top looks. It's very pretty. Has a nice swirly green top. And I'm just going to slice this into bars. And here's how they look on the inside. I think they're really pretty. I like how bright that neutral soap color turned out, and how nice it looks with the orange, and the contrast of the deeper green color. And you can see the seeds dispersed throughout the soap there. And here's the last bar. I like how different they all look. These are the end pieces. And those will be cut up for later. This soap will be available on February 1st. If you like it, you could pick up a bar in my Etsy shop. I upload videos every Monday and Thursday. Please consider giving this a like and subscribing. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.